Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Swagbucks money into your bank account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in swagbucks.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Swagbucks website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which you can find various different offers. Now, if you have enough points that you can redeem and you want to withdraw these cash into your bank account, then hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Redeem Your Swagbucks. You will now be shown the various different options of redeeming. If you click on Show More, you will see all of the different options of transferring your Swagbucks. Now, while there is no direct option to link your bank account, you have the options to transfer them into your Amazon, your Zalando, AirTM, Payoneer, or PayPal accounts. You can simply use either one of these options and then choose your desired amount to redeem and then click on the redeem button. Once you redeem these into your PayPal or other accounts, you can just link your bank account into these accounts and then transfer seamlessly between the two. And through this way, you will be able to transfer your Swagbucks money into your bank account. And there you have it. That is how you can transfer your Swagbucks money to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.